As I promised, I wanted to find a natural solution for the spike proteins that harm us. And when I say spike proteins, I'm not just talking about one virus, I'm talking about a whole family of viral glycoproteins that slip past our immune system and cause inflammation, chronic symptoms, and reactivated infections like Epstein Barr. So I did what I always do. I dove deep. I read the studies. I looked for what actually blocks spike proteins and other harmful viral glycoproteins from attaching, fusing, and taking over. And I want to share what I found. Spike protein is a glycoprotein, meaning it is a protein covered in sugars used by certain viruses to enter our cells. It's like a key that looks for the right lock. The spike grabs onto ACE2 receptors, which are found in the lungs, heart, brain, gut, and reproductive organs. Many viruses do. Epstein-Barr, herpes viruses, influenza, RSV, HIV, dengue and Zika, mumps and measles, smallpox and monkeypox. Most damaging viruses use glycoproteins to enter our cells. So when we talk about spike, we are really talking about a bigger pattern. Why glycoproteins harm the immune system? Glycoproteins can trigger cytokine inflammation, disrupt mitochondria, cause brain fog, suppress NK cells, reactivate latent viruses like EBV, overwhelm detox pathways, and break down tight junctions in the gut and blood-brain barrier. This is why people feel sick post-viral for months or years. It's not just the virus, it's the glycoprotein residue it leaves behind. The natural solutions I found, and this is where things got interesting. I found a product called the Wellness Company, Ultimate Spike Detox, and I looked at the ingredients one by one. Here's what's inside. Selenium supports glutathione, the body's strongest antioxidant. Bromelain, a natural enzyme from pineapple that breaks down protein fragments, including spike fragments, so your body can eliminate them. Black seed plus black pepper. Fruit black seed is antiviral and anti-inflammatory. Black pepper boosts absorption of all the other herbs. Turmeric targets inflammation in tissues damaged by spike protein. Nattokinase. This one is huge. Nattokinase is shown to help break down fibrin and protein structures that spike proteins create. It also improves blood flow and circulation. Dandelion root. This herb has shown the ability to block spike proteins from binding to ACE2 receptors. When I put all these together, it's a powerful combination, and I was honestly surprised at how well designed this formula is. Melatonin, why I now include it. I also discovered something unexpected. Melatonin protects the brain against spike protein inflammation. Most people think of melatonin as a sleep hormone, but it's actually one of the most powerful neuroprotective antioxidants we have. Melatonin helps reduce microglial inflammation, support the mitochondria, protect the blood-brain barrier, improve deep restorative sleep, which helps detox pathways. It ended up being one of the most helpful additions to my protocol. But the one that really blew me away was astragalus polysaccharide PG2. I found a study that honestly changed everything for me. I could feel it working on my body instantly. It's that effective. Researchers looked for compounds that could reverse the spike protein gene signature, basically the cellular fingerprint that spike leaves behind. They used powerful gene set analysis tools and discovered that astragalus polysaccharides completely reversed it. And then they went a step further. What the lab tests showed, astragalus polysaccharides blocked the fusion of spike protein to cells. It prevented spike from binding to ACE2. And it worked against the wild type, alpha and beta variants. This means it didn't just calm inflammation, it actually interfered with spike at the receptor level. And here the important part, astragalus is also antiviral, immune modulating, and powerful for the gut. So for me, this became the foundation of what I now recommend. Herbs that help with viral glycoproteins. Here are the ones backed by research and used in practice. Astragalus PG2, the strongest evidence blocks spike from binding to ACE2 dandelion blocks. Glycoprotein AC2 interactions. Nattokinase breaks down spike fragments. Bromelain breaks down viral protein structures. Quercetin inhibits viral entry for several glycoprotein viruses. Black seed oil modulates inflammation and viral load. Monolaurin from coconut breaks down lipid envelopes around viruses. EGCG, green tea extract, blocks viral fusion proteins. Oregano plus pine needle combinations. If you're dealing with post-viral inflammation, EBV flare-ups, autoimmune struggles, or long-term symptoms, this is where I would start. And as always, I'm not here to diagnose. I'm sharing what I've learned on my journey as a mom and a researcher, and I hope this helps guide you one step closer to healing.